Hello everyone, my name is Prem Sanjay Chodappa. I am from SYETC Division A. Let's start with the given example. Design Colpit oscillator. The given specifications are V0 is equal to 5 V peak to peak, frequency is equal to 2 megahertz, voltage gain is equal to 40, and stability factor S is equal to 50. Use HFC is equal to 100 and VCC is equal to 12 volt. From data circuit given diagram, R1 and R2 are the two resistors, RC is the capacitor resistors, RE is the emitter resistor, CC is the collector capacitor, CE is the emitter capacitor. As this is the Colpit oscillator, so that's why we are using two capacitor, that is C1 and C2, and one inductor in feedback network. Calculation of RC. Voltage gain is equal to minus HFE into RC divided by HIE. Let's AV voltage gain is equal to 15, HIE is equal to 4.5 k ohm. By putting the given value, we are interested to find RC. RC is equal to 1.80 kilo ohm. Selection of Q point. VCQ is equal to VCC divided by 2. Assume VCC is equal to 12 volt, VCQ is equal to 6 volt, VCC is equal to VRC plus VCQ plus VRE. VRE is equal to 10% of VCC. From that, VRE is equal to 1.2 volt. From the above equation, VRC is equal to VCC minus VCQ minus VRE. VRE is equal to 4.8 volt. Then we have to find ICEQ is equal to VRC divided by RC, which is 2.66. RE is equal to VRE divided by ICEQ. By putting the value of VRE and ICEQ, we get the RE is equal to 85.71 ohm. ICEQ is the 10% of RE, so ICEQ is equal to 8.571. ICEQ is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi FCE. By putting the value of XCE and frequency, we get the CE, which is 1547 nanofarad. Selection of R1 and R2. R2 is equal to 0.1 into HFC into RC. By putting the value of HFC and RC, we get the R2 is equal to 8.55 ohm. VBE is equal to VBE plus VRE. By putting the value, then we get the VB is equal to 1.9 volt. According to voltage divider formula, VB is equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into VCC. R1, from that we can find the R1, which is 2.27 kilo ohm. Calculation of L and C1 and C2. Frequency is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi root L equivalent capacitor, whose capacitor equivalent is C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Let us assume I is equal to 0.1 microhenry. C equivalent is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi f root L. C, from that capacitor equivalent is equal to 253.30 nanofarad, but we have condition voltage gain is greater than C2 divided by C1. 2S is greater than C2 divided by C1. C2 is less than 15 C1. C2 is less than 15 into 253.30. Let us consider C2 is equal to 15 C1. C equivalent is equal to C1 into 15 C1 divided by C1 plus 15 C1. From that we have we can find C1, which is 270.90 nanofarad. We know that the C2 is equal to 15 C1, so from that we can find C2 is equal to 4.06 nu f.